What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets unboxing. I don't want to tell you guys what's in the box quite yet because you guys will see later on in the video. I would like to ask, if you do enjoy it, please drop a like, and if you want to see more airplane or aviation content, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and it does really help support me. And yeah, let's dive straight into the unboxing. So I would like to mention, before we get into the unboxing, here are today's shout outs. If you want to participate in that, all you need to do is drop a like on the video, leave a comment down below, and make sure you watch all the way till the end of the video, otherwise it will not count. I would like to say, before we dive into the unboxing, that the box is a little deceiving for how big it is. It's not that many models inside. I don't know why Easy Toys decided to put in a huge box, but they did. So anyway, let's dive straight into it. I'm going to try to unbox it here, but if it's too hard to get open, then I'm just going to cut it. Yeah, that works, actually. There we go. Okay. So here we go, right here. You can see how skinny it is, but this is how wide it is. It's interesting. Okay, so here we go. Open that up. To be truthfully honest with you, I have no idea what's in this, but whatever. Okay, here we are. Hold on, let me adjust the camera really quick. Right there for you guys. Okay, so it just comes with your standard paper. Oh, there it is. Okay, so the first thing is a pack of Gemini Jets Gates. Whoops. As a YouTuber and a Gemini Jets collector, you always need jetways for any model airport, or just for spare in case you need it. So we will be going over the jetways, but first I wanted to go over this beautiful model right here. I'm going to briefly go over the box. That should not take too long, but yeah, let's dive straight into it. Alright, at the top here we have the Gemini Jets logo, as you can sort of see. Right here it says made for collectors by collectors. Then we have the computer generated model. Obviously it is the United Boeing 767-300ER. These do fly to Denver, but not as often as you might think for how big their hub is at Denver. They primarily fly 787s, pretty much every plane except this one, but I decided to get it because it still does come in pretty rarely, but still better than nothing. Next we have the United logo, and then it says 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Now it's been, I don't even know how long since I've had a Gemini Jets, to be honest with you. It's been quite a while. So here are the facts. You can pause the screen to read this. I will hold as still as possible. It just says all the facts about the aircraft, and up there, that paragraph right there, that just is more facts about it. So yeah, quite interesting. I would read that if I were you. Next, we have the Gemini Jets logo here. 1/400 scale die-cast model, and talks about highly collectible, superior quality, which is a bunch of clickbait. As most of you know, most Gemini Jets come broken, but we'll pray this one doesn't. Gemini Jets United computer generated aircraft, Boeing 767-300ER. Adult collectible model, Gemini Jets, and this is the same as the opposing side with the computer generated model. Okay, now let's, hold on, let me adjust that. Alright, now we're gonna unbox it here. So we put the box over here. The aircraft is just lying on the top here without really a protective, I mean it has a protective covering, but I can't tell if it's broken yet, so I guess we'll just see. Then this little plastic sheet comes off, also for more protection. And it is not broken. Good job, Gemini Jets. Usually, their 767 mold is really good. And yeah, let's get closer into the model. If you guys are new here, you wouldn't know, but I like to do the aircraft kind of in halves in my unboxing so you can get more detail on your screen as I present the model to you. But anyway, starting off at the front here, we have the cockpit windows with the normal black, then has the gray slashes to divide the windows. Then has the Star Alliance logo. As many of you know, United is a part of Star Alliance. Then we have the L1 boarding door, which is primarily used for first class, but well, it's used for everything unless you're on the 767-400. Then we have a antenna up here, and then United's new livery, of course, with the all capital United letters in the blue color, I guess I should say. Then we have the landing gear down there, and you can start to see the blue engines right there. I'll scoot it forward just a tad more. See, like right there. I would like to go over the winglets after I go over the entire aircraft because there is something interesting about those. Okay, but we come a little further back. We have the 2 overwing exits on each side, so 4 of them. Then we have an antenna right here, as well as a Wi-Fi box, and then another antenna. We have the registration, which is I don't know, it's not on the box. But anyway, so yeah, we have the registration right there, which I cannot read, but if you can, good job. Then we have the landing gear down here. You can't really see it, but it's right there with the little wing, or the flap to the landing gear, which is used when they're taking off. The flap retracts into the thing to store the landing gear. I described that terribly, but okay, next we have the winglets right here. I would like to go into depth on one of them, but we'll wait till the end for that. And then the tail, let me just scoot it up like that. Then we have the back door, which is not used for boarding. It's used for unboarding if they're flying into a airport that doesn't use jetways. Then we have the new Evo blue livery, so it has a new tail, which Gemini Jets does a very good job of tinting at the top, so you can see it's really dark up here and then really light all the way at the top, just like United does it, so good job to you. Then we have the blue, dark blue line going across the model right there. Little like swoosh that they first started using on the Max and the Dreamliner. Excuse me. Then we have the horizontal stabilizers. Let's see if they're metal. Can't. They are metal, so that's good. If you don't know, Gemini Jets normally doesn't use metal on their horizontal stabilizers. So yeah. So there is the model in its entirety. The winglet is a bit weird on this side, like it's not shaped right. I don't really care, it still looks good. So yeah, I would give this a 8 out of 10 for this model, which is very good compared to some of their past molds that break and like as soon as you open it. So yeah, 8 out of 10. Now let's get to the jetways, which I would recommend sticking around for because it does have some new stickers, and I just want to show a few things off before we end the video. Okay, here is the jetway pack that most of you probably already have by now, but it comes with 3 longer jetways and then 3 shorter ones, which is good. And it comes with the sticker sheet. And then up here the box is pretty generic, just Gemini Jets 1/400 scale, and then it says 6-pack of narrow body jet bridges. So let's open this if we can. Yeah, as you can see, it's a bit difficult. Never mind. Okay, here we are. Okay, so the jet bridges are... Hold on, let me adjust the camera. Right there. Okay, so the sticker sheet right here. That's what you would put on your jet bridges for different airlines, which we'll go over in just a minute. Then right here is the actual jetways. You just lift... Actually, it'd probably be better if you did it this way. You just kind of... Well, here's the thing. Oh, you just do that. Okay. And then the jet bridges are just like that. And if you are a new Gemini Jets collector, I just want to show you one thing. So you get the jet bridge here, and then it gives you one of these adapter things, and then it's pretty basic. You just slide it in. So this is what the jet bridge looks like by Gemini Jets, as I mentioned. Right here it has the little adapter thing that goes to the aircraft. Then right here is where you put your stickers. They're like A1, B1, D1, whatever the gate number is for your airport. Then right here is just the wheels that help it. That's what they use to move at the real airports. Then you have a little door right here, and then this is the staircase, obviously, to the jet bridge for outside crew. And then right here is where you would put your sticker that they give you, that sticker sheet. So if it was if Japan Airlines parked there, you just put a Japan Airlines sticker right there. Then right here is the little, just where it'd be connected into the terminal. I just wanted to go over the stickers very, very briefly. So they give you a few HSBC, which is like if multiple airlines use that. Then they give you JetBlue, Citi, Bank, Delta, Iberia, KLM, Thai. Oh, Malaysia's in there. Hawaiian, Asiana. They give you a bunch of airlines on here, and then down here is, hopefully you can see, they give you the little stickers that go onto the gate. So these are like the gate numbers you put on that little triangle thing I showed you earlier. And yeah, so this is, I can't tell, is this the updated one? I can't tell, I think it is. But anyway, this is what you will get with all your jet bridges. I think they might give them out with your accessories too. I could be wrong. I'd like to thank you guys so much for coming into my new video and for all the support I've been getting lately. I hope you did enjoy this little unboxing of the jet bridges and the gorgeous United 767-300ER. Excuse me. I do have a bunch of NG models on the way and a few Gemini jets, like 2 or 3. So there will be unboxings with just more than one aircraft, because I tend to see that a lot of people don't want to see a one aircraft unboxing, which I do apologize for, but I just do the unboxings as they come in like a shipment. And this is what it came in. So I do hope you enjoyed. If you do, leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because it does help support me and help support the channel and help me grow, all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. There will be plenty of unboxings, as I mentioned. Most of them will be NG. I actually just had another NG shipment arrive today, but I can't do a double unboxing, obviously. And a few more Gemini jets. If you didn't check out the video of the new Gemini jets releases I made, go check that out, because it was a very good batch of releases. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be an airport update. Oh, one thing before I go, I do want to say, now that school has started, it is going to be a little more difficult for me to upload Tuesday, Friday at 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time, which is where I normally upload, or when I normally upload. But I will try my absolute best to get you guys those uploads and the Gemini Jets unboxings, and I mean the Gemini Jets releases that I do. So yeah, I will get those videos out if I can, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.